It's better to learn from mistakes than just be intelligent. Why do your endpoints always blow up first? The answer lies in the stress cone. What is it? Why does it always explode when the lap is not in place? Today, I'll cut open a terminal to show you. This black part is the embedded stress cone. Its function is to change the strength of the electric field. Look at two balloons. If you poke it with a needle, it will burst immediately. But if you press it with a thick book, it won't break. The same is true when the electric field is concentrated. Even if you wrap more tape, it's easy to be punctured. The role of stress cones is to disperse and weaken the concentrated electric field, just like the thick book. So, if the stress cone is not properly lapped in place and not completely covered, semiconductive layer fracture, the electric field will be concentrated here. Local discharge will occur continuously for 24 hours. After a few months, breakdown, a stress cone is not lapped in place. The entire cable is scrapped. How to ensure accurate overlap? The first step, cold shrink terminal has installation marking lines on its inner wall. Before putting the terminal on the cable, find this line first. Second step, when pushing in, make sure that the marker lines are exactly aligned with the semiconducting layer fracture. At this time, the stress cone has precisely covered the break. The third step, remove the support strip and shrink the end. The stress cone is firmly pressed against the main insulation. It's okay if you can't remember. Collect this video. Watch it before the next installation. In power industry, you can't be a little bit wrong.